Hello, I'm Marcus with Restoreit Restoration, and today we're going to cover mold remediation. People may have an odor. A lot of times people may see some staining around their air conditioner vents. From time to time we call and maybe people's floors are buckling or moving. So a lot of times those are some of the key indicators of possible mold growth. A lot of myths are that every mold that someone sees is black mold. That is not always the case. Very seldom in a home you literally see black mold being Stachybotrys. So there are a bunch of common myths about black mold. A lot of other myths are that you can simply spray it and wipe it and remove it with bleach, vinegar, other things. There are a lot of bad information on the internet, so you should talk to someone that really knows. I think you should always speak to someone that is a professional mold remediator to at least look at your situation. A lot of times if it's very, very small in a specific area in your home, maybe that is a DIY. But for the majority of the time, I think you should get some consultation and let someone, a professional, know. So a proper mold remediation would be contacting a professional restoration company that's a mold abatement company and have them come out and look at the home and do an evaluation. Okay, that means pictures, relative humidity, temperature readings, looking at other things that may cause situations in the home, like an improper air conditioner system not working properly, prior leaks, attic doors that are inside the home that may cause hot temperatures from your attic coming into your home. And then also air testing. Anytime that you want to know what your home's truly doing, you should always pull air samples. Recommendation is if you want to know the true health of your home or the quality of your home, you should have someone come out that can do proper air testing and make an evaluation and give you a step-by-step scope of work and a written price on what that job should cost, what your job should cost. I think that a lot of the ways that we can help is educate people. A lot of people don't understand that mold is caused because of humidity. To have mold, you have to have moisture, which can either be relative humidity or a loss from water, prior leak. Cleanliness is a huge thing in people's homes. We go into a lot of homes and people's homes are cluttered. The housekeeping is not done. They're not vacuuming, dusting properly. And whenever you have humidity and those other factors, it creates an opportunity for mold to grow. So I think housekeeping is a huge thing, and awareness of what's going on in your home. If there is a leak, be sure it's fixed and taken care of. So there's several factors that we can help with. Having an evaluation and having an inspector is really important for people that are maybe have breathing issues, asthma, people that may be super sensitive to different things. Any type of breathing issues or maybe some type of illness where people's immune systems may be compromised, I think that's very important to know exactly what's going on in your home. Depending on the home, older homes are more susceptible, of course, because there's been more years of opportunities for things to happen in the home. Maybe they've changed out an AC system that wasn't working for many years properly. And so, again, it just opens the doors when a home is older for more complications. Maybe the home wasn't insulated well at one time, now it is. Maybe the home's HVAC system was changed. Maybe there were gaps in windows and doors. So as a home is it gets older, yes, there's more opportunities for mold possibilities. You should reach out to Restore It and let us come do a free evaluation, walk through with you on your home and educate you and help you as to what your decision should be.